Hello students, today I am going to start question number 4 of exercise 2.7. Now question number 4 says find your decimal number is divided by 1000. Like what we have done in the previous question, when the decimal number is divided by 10, that time point will be shifted after one place. So point will be after 4, means before 4, so at point will be shifted to the left, so it will be before 4. Okay, so answer will be 0.46, right? But if the decimal number is divided by 100, since 100 we have 2 zeros, so point will be shifted after 2 digit. So here we have already 1 digit, so one more digit we will have to make by putting 0, so point will be shifted after 2 digit. So answer will be 0.046, but when the decimal will be divided by 1000, since in 1000 we have 3 zeros, so point will be shifted after 3 digits. So here we have already 1 digit, so 2 digits we will have to make by putting 0. So see, 1, 2, 3. So point will be shifted here. So answer will be 0.0046. Okay. Similarly, here decimal number will be divided by 1000. That means 7.9 will be divided by 1000. And as there is 3 zeros in 1000, so point will be shifted after 3 place. Point is in between 7 and 9, right? So point will be shifted after 3 digits. So here is 1, 2, 3. So point will be here. So answer of the first part will be 0.0079. In the second part we have 26.3 divided by 1000. So as there is 3 zeros in 1000, so point will be shifted after 3 place. So here point was in between 6 and 3. So point will be shifted after 3 digits. So 1, 2, 3 place we will have to make by putting 0. Then we will have to put the decimal. So answer of the second part will be 0.0263. Now in the third part we have 38.53 divided by 1000. So point will be shifted to the left, and as there is 3 zeros, so point will be shifted after 3 place. So 1, 2. So one more place we will have to make by putting 0. So we'll write here 5 and 3 will remain same. So it will be 830. So point was in between 8 and 5. So point will be shifted after 3 place. 1, 2, 3. Point will be here. So answer of the third part will be 0.03853. Now in the next part we have 128.9 divided by 1000. Okay. So here 3 zeros. So 1, 2, 3. Already we have 3 digits. So point will be here. After point 1, 2, 8, 9. So point was in between 8 and 9. Then point will be shifted after 3 place. So 1, 2, 3. Okay. So answer of the fourth part will be 0.1289. Now in the fifth part we have 0.5 divided by 1000. And as there is 3 zeros, again point will be shifted after 3 digits. So here we have only 1 digit we have. So 2 more digit we will have to make by putting 0. So 1, 2, 3. Point was in between 0 and 5. So point will be shifted after 3 place. So 1, 2, 3. Here will be the decimal. So answer of the last part will be 0.0005. Okay. So this was all about question number 4. Thank you students.